Okay, so this is what the weekly recap looks like. So this is going to go out to all of your students each week, and it's going to show them everything great they did this week. So everything they earn points for is right here. And there's even a timeline so you can see every point and every teacher that gave them a point at what time of the day. So it's meant to build awareness for students around their behaviors. And a lot of our partners like to use it for goal setting as well. Now, the dual benefit of a report like this, which also shows the point balance for students, by the way, too, is that we can also send it to parents every week. So what our partners are telling us is that this is essentially a positive phone call home to parents every week. And I know from being a former teacher that when I would make positive phone calls home, sometimes parents were surprised. They don't get them enough. We would love for teachers to make more positive phone calls home, but that's a lot to expect out of teachers. So this has been a way for us to support both teachers and admin with a feature like the weekly recap.